Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add subtitles to your videos in CapCut PC. So, I've already imported a video, and to start adding captions or subtitles, you can just go to tags at the top here and then click on the auto captions tab. Then choose the language and click on create. Okay, just wait until CapCut generate the subtitles, and it will be in seconds or minutes, depends on your video duration. Okay, so the subtitle has been added and it will be placed here at the bottom.
I'm going to ask you a question.
If you want to make like some adjustment, you want to change the font, the color of the subtitles, you can just click on one of the subtitles and then go to the text or captions in here. Okay, go to the text, and then if you please make sure that you check this box to apply, to make the changes apply to all of the captions. Here, for example, I want to make the size bigger. Okay, so when you play,
now here's how it works. I'm going to ask you a question.
You can see now it will be applied to all the subtitles. Okay, you can also change the color, the font, and adjust the spacing, and other adjustment that you can set in will be in here. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, click on the thumbs up, and also leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to click on the